Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and today I will show you how you can personalize notifications in this device. So at the first we have to go for the settings, and then you have to go for the notifications. When we are here, we can, for example, change the up icon badges, so we can turn them off by tapping on the switcher. And when you go right here, we are also able to adjust a very app that we have on our tablet. So here we get the most recent, most frequent, blocked, and all of them. Let's switch to the last option. And right now, if you want to block notification from any app, you have to simply tap on the switcher. And if you want to activate, you have to, of course, tap on it. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.